All right, we're down here where we get water at. We got the water softener. We're gonna see what all comes in it. It comes with test strips, so you can test your water, see if it's hard or not. I don't think, we brought my buddies down here. We went ahead and put salt in it and charged it. I don't think you have to do that on the first time. So let us read these directions and I'll get back with you. All right, we read the directions. All you have to do is flush this out like you do your blue RV filters and get all the black out of it. That's basically all you have to do with this. You do not have to put salt in it the first time. You only put salt in it to regenerate it, just like you would your house one. The resin in this is, all you gotta do is flush it out and it's ready to go. It comes with test strips, and so you can test your water. When you see that it's starting to get hard, it's time to regenerate it. It comes with directions, and it comes with this Y valve. This is your fill. You put this on the softener, this end on the softener. This end, if you look, has a really just a pinhole in it. And when you regenerate it, that's when you open and push that through, the water through, so you're not flushing the whole system out. And then this is your fill. So regenerate, fill to RV.
Bubble wrap, that'll be fun later. It's kind of busy at the boat ramp today.
So it comes with a stand. Comes with a stand. Over here, come over here. It's just a regular garden hose.
I'm cutting your head off, honey.
I don't care about my head. You put this in on the black side. Get it tight. So here you go. This is the side that goes from your water source, and it comes in here. And then this side goes to your RV or your fill, like we're gonna fill our barrels up. This side is when you're gonna regenerate it. Take a 3/4 inch wrench, you take this top off and you put 2 pounds of table salt, Morton table salt, into this. Close that back up, put your water source on, open this valve, and just a pinhole comes out, and you they say 20 minutes. We did it, it took 40 minutes. So for 40 minutes you go, you just every once in a while reach down and you taste the water. If it doesn't taste salty no more, you're good to go. Close this one, hook your hose to this one, go into your coach or to your water barrel, and you fill it up. That's really all there is to it. So let's get this over here. I'll get the hoses hooked up and we'll get it flushed out. There it goes.
Ew.
So you gotta let that run for 2 minutes until it comes clean. And once this comes clean, it is ready to go into the water. All right, so we're filling it up. You can see how I got everything hooked up.
And there's water.
This is a 55-gallon drum, but because I have it laying down, it's not getting a full 55 gallons in it. So that will do 10,000 gallons. So if you're doing 50, that's
A lot.
500. I don't know. I can't do math. But it's a lot. They say to just use them strips and test your water, make sure it's staying soft. When you find it not staying soft no more, you regenerate it. You pop that 3/4 inch nut off the top, you pour your 2 pounds of salt down in it, put it back on, flip the little valve with the pinhole on it, and you let it run for 30-40 minutes till it doesn't taste salty anymore, and it's regenerated. Same way you manually or automatically regenerate your water softener at home. It does it usually about 2 or 3 in the morning while you're sleeping. You don't know it, you just wake up, take a bath, and you got soft water. This one you have to physically put the salt in it and manually recharge it. So there you go. We'll get this full put it all back in, pump it in the coach, and we'll be able to tell if we've got soft water or not. Thanks for watching, guys.